When I was at school, I had a teacher who was different from the rest. Rather than teach a set syllabus of exams and essay structure, he had to inform his students of the world around our comfortable bubble. I always remember, above his desk, dimly lit in a dark corner of the room, was an old, torn-out poster crudely tacked to the wall. It read, "We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open." I am now at the beginning of a lifetime of adventures, working and living here in a small town on the South Kent coast, dipping its toes into the English Channel. Being a person of 22 years old, I am a fully paid up member of the information generation. Plugged into the matrix of the world sphere, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, FaceTime and instant messaging, part of the web of knowledge being passed around the globe in the blink of an eye, the tap of a thumb, the swoosh of a tweet. It has never been so easy to access knowledge. The smartphone era, where memory is a thing of a bygone age, Google has the answers. In many ways, that is what is so special about this patch of earth. It moves at its own pace and allows one to set their own speed, discovering what it means to be one human in a mass number of civilization. In my case, through exhibitions, through arts, through real communication, whether it's meeting painters, printmakers, glassmakers, photographers. For me, this is where the battle is slowly won. Being face to face with the creators of today, hopefully allowing us to become more aware of what will happen tomorrow. And yes, sometimes the road will seem a little choppy, and it seems that we are holding on for dear life as the world around us seems to be spiralling out of control and battering us with all it has. The best thing to do is to keep on going, heading forward against the tide to our own destiny. I sometimes wonder what my childhood teacher with the fading poster would make of the world today. A man who educated us with the era of the legend, people of both the public and the private sector who could entertain and lead us with style and class, demanding yet earning our respect and admiration. I think he would say, "Are they aware the world is watching?" Maybe that all seems a little bleak, and paints a rather dour image of the world around us. The truth is that there is much beauty and charm in the world. Even if the road ahead seems blocked at times, the adventure is being able to find it in our own lives, homes and jobs. I would hope that if you have entered Linden Hall Studio and are now standing watching this film, you have the time to enjoy the eclectic celebration of the visual arts that now surrounds you. For that's what it is. Its aim is to try and give a moment's break from the unrelenting world that all moves much too fast. Look high and low, and hopefully you will find something that speaks to you in a way that nothing before ever has.